Yeah, this is the right amount of oil that I should be using, right? This looks totally normal and not greasy and gross and... Yeah, that makes sense. That's not too much at all, is it? Can you oil your beard too much? Good day, adventurers, and welcome back to another video of Fable Beard Company. I'm the Apprentice, and today we're going to be answering a concerning question. Can you use too much beard oil?
May your beards be forever blessed, and treasure forever upon your door.
Alright, so you have been using beard oil for a while, that's good, but you have been noticing that some people don't use a whole lot, and some people use, well, maybe too much, and you don't know where you fall into that because you don't know how much beard oil you're supposed to be using. Well, if you read our bottles, you should know that it's about 3 to 10 drops of oil in the morning, at night, and you should be fine. But if you have a big beard, you're like, well, I should probably be using a lot. But can you use too much beard oil? Yes, you absolutely can, and there are a couple of side effects that can take place if you're using way too much. So if you're going to be using oil, you should know to use it a little sparingly, because a little bit can go a long way. If you do use too much, be aware that you will probably, unfortunately, take place on symptoms of greasy beard. You'll notice that your hair is still wet, even though it's been hours since you've put the oil in. Maybe your skin is feeling a little wet as well. It's a little gross, and nobody wants to have to deal with that, especially your loved ones. In addition to greasy beard, you may also notice, after time has passed and you've been doing this for too long, that you might gain a little bit of acne. This is because all the oil that you have on your skin has been clogging up your pores. So dirt's going to collect, and so is acne. It's a very unpleasant picture for really men of any age. So if you are using too much and you have acne or greasy beard, well, you might even notice that your facial hair will probably slow down in growth because you're using too much. Your skin isn't going to be properly absorbing and collecting the nutrients that is the beard oil. So how much should you be using? It's a good rule of thumb to just do a few drops. We do have on our bottles, it says about 3 to 10 drops twice a day. And if you go over than that, that's fine as long as you know that your skin and your beard will need it. So experiment a little bit. It's important to recognize that everybody has different skin. Everybody has different beards. So your story will be different. You just need to be aware of the usage that you have. You need to understand your routine. Adventurers, I really do hope that this video helped you out. We hope that it answered the question because yes, there is user error. You can use too much beard oil. If you did like the video, please like it. Comment down below on your thoughts on your little journey when it comes to using beard oil. If you thought it was a helpful video and we had some good tips here, please share the video to your friends. Post to Facebook, post to wherever you need to in order to help out our community. We really appreciate everything that you do for us. So may your beards be forever blessed, in fortune and treasure forever upon your doors. Have a wonderful day.